We are called to assist the earth to heal her woods, and in the process, heal our own.
Without trees, there is no life.
Forests are the lungs of our world. We need them to breathe
and to protect the biodiversity that we depend on. Ololua Forest is a green lung in Nairobi,
a city that's growing fast. New infrastructure has left it fragmented, more vulnerable than ever before. It's threatened by people cutting down trees,
dumping rubbish,
and building in the forest.
If we don't act now, it will disappear.
Please help us to save the Ololua Forest.